My name is Shaf. I am CEO of ICSS Engineering Pakistan. This video may only be of your interest if you are a production manager, technical director, or amongst the management of some group of industries or factories. So you are on the move most of the times and are away from your industrial assets. You wish to remotely monitor your industrial assets from anywhere in the world using your phone or laptop. You wish to monitor live production figures, machine run status, their performance, valve status, energy consumption, vessel pressure, boiler temperature, tank level, relative humidity, conveyor movements, generator run hours, safeties bypassed, number of machine trips, flow measurements, sales export. Call 0311 0010472 or email shaf@icssww.com for solutions. We are not limited by the key performance indicators we can capture locally or remotely. Share your requirements and let us present solutions to satisfy your needs. Our solutions are not intended to rip you off by adding new devices. Alhamdulilah, we are focused to integrate with your existing system to save project costs and to provide you the best remote monitoring and control solutions. Besides presenting you with the live data, we offer various customized reports, historized values, and trends, that is all the required information to support your decision-making process. Keep your assets under your watchful eye all the time with control choosing our flagship product called IOT Cloudware. That is Pakistan's first industrial Internet of Things platform. We have 10 plus years of international industrial automation, machine automation, PLC, DCS, RTU, safety systems, HMI and SCADA systems experience. ICSS Engineering Pakistan. Thanks for your time and attention.